Going to park this bad boy back again in its spot. Let's see, surround camera system. Alright. We're headed back over here to park the truck. It's got very responsive steering. These new Rams electronic steering. Very nice. So I'm going to try to do my best to park this truck without hitting anything. Alright, we are back out here at Lee Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram of Wilson. Behind me is a truck I'm going to be doing a review on today. It's a 2020 Ram 1500 Limited loaded. We're going to get to the review right now. I'd like to give a special thanks to Lee and to Dylan Lamb for letting me come out here and review this truck today. If you want a great deal on a Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler product, come out here and see Dylan Lamb. He's one of the top salesmen here at this dealership. He's going to work his butt off to get you a good deal. Alright, we're going to start with the front end of this 1500 Limited. We have this beautiful hood with the power dome bulge in the center. Got the 1500 5.7 Hemi badging. Alright, this is what makes the Limited so special, is this front end. As you can see, you got the bi-LED projectors. These ones right here actually are going to turn up to 15 degrees with the steering wheel. And obviously you have the LED surrounds on these. Coming over here to the front, you can see Limited only grille. Very pretty. It's got the honeycomb. It's got black and polished in the front. As you can see, it's got the front facing camera. I'll go over that shortly. You got the color match front bumper with 6 parking sensors in the front, 2 chrome tow hooks, and again LED fog lights. Coming down the side, you have color matched fender flares. These ones right here these are my particular favorite on the Limited. These are the 20-inch 6-spoke wheels with the Bridgestone Dueler HT tires, size of 275 55 R20s. Alright, this particular one is equipped with something special I'm going to go over here shortly. Alright, it's got the nice power folding LED side mirrors with the blind spot. They're heated, and it's got the convex towing mirror. Alright, coming down the side, you have something that equipped on all Limited trim levels. Power folding running boards. Alright, coming down the side even further, we have same nice wheels on the back. This truck is equipped with the Ram boxes. This particular truck is equipped with every option you can get, and I'm going to go over all those here shortly. Alright, very nice. I love these Ram boxes. You can put all sorts of stuff in here. It's got drains. It's got LEDs in the lid here with the on-off button right here. And as always, it has a 115 volt 400 watt inverter built into the box. So that's very nice. And again, you have your proximity sensor, keyless entry on those. Coming around the side, you have these very nice LED rear tail lights with the sonars built in. Like I said, guys, this one right here is equipped with everything. It's got the nice 419 and 20 side step. Alright, dual exhausts. It's got 6 proximity sensors on the rear of the truck. This is obviously a 4x4. Nice Ram lettering here. It's got the soft down tailgate. This one has obviously the cargo management system with the spray-in bed liner. And this one obviously has the divider It can go into every single one of them slots to make the bed shorter, smaller if you're trying to put small items. Alright, obviously LED box lighting, very handy, very nice. And again, it's got these 4 tie-down cleats, 2 on this rail, 2 on this rail, but you can buy more of those and you can have 6, 8, whatever you guys want in here. Alright, putting this back up. Coming around the side, same thing on this side. Very, very nice truck. I love the silver. I love the silver with these wheels. It just really looks good. Limited badging. Only the limiteds come with that chrome strip that goes all the way down to the bed. Again, 2020. As stated before, this truck is loaded with all the options. All right, as you can see on this key fob, hope you can see the key fob or not. All right, see this button right here? It says it has a truck with an arrow down ×2. This truck is equipped with the Ram air suspension, air ride, whatever you would like to call it. All right, I bumped the truck all the way up into the off-road 2 position, which gives you 2 inches of lift over factory ride 1500. So as you can see, there's a lot more room between them wheel wells than there normally would be. All right, now I'm going to hit this button on here and I'm going to show you it dropping all the way down to entry mode, which is good for older people or shorter people. All right, let's try that. I'm going to hit this thing once, twice. And it should be going down. All right, it is all the way in the down position, which is actually going to be 2 inches lower than the standard 1500. I don't know if you can tell, but now it looks like a 2-wheel drive truck. Alright, I'm only 5'9", and I'm almost as tall as the truck is now, so you can see how much lower that made it. We can't talk about a Ram without talking about that Hemi. So we're going to take a look at this Hemi. Alright, this is obviously 5.7 liter Hemi V8s, putting out 395 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque. On the 20s, the limiteds only come with an e-torque motor. If you can see this silver box right here, this is the e-torque system. That is going to act as help start and stop your vehicle, and it's going to add 130 pound-feet of torque off the line. This engine's made it to an 8-speed ZF transmission. This particular truck has a 321 rear gear ratio, which is good for miles per gallon. Alright, let's go on to the sound. Alright, sound check. On to the interior. Fully running boards. Alright, for 19, Ram really stepped up their game on these 1500s. Obviously this is a 20. It has soft touch materials on the top. This whole door is pretty much soft touch besides this bottom, which is hard. Any place where your arm goes actually has nice padded material. And with all Ram limiteds, you get this really nice stitch pattern all over the vehicle. It's nice wood grain right here. Okay, this one has the Harman Kardon sound system. Obviously it has the 12-inch screen, 2 cup holders, you have all your buttons, your power mirrors. There you go, both sides obviously. Fold these back out. Alright, getting in here, as you can see, leather everywhere. Got the nice limited floor mats that are rubber and has the insert of the wood grain. You have your polished door sill protector. Alright, hopping up in here, obviously top tier leather in these limiteds. Very soft and plush. Here you obviously perforated for heating and cooled seats, and again that stitch pattern comes out all over these seats. Alright, hopping up in here. Alright, I'm going to back this seat up again so I can get the widest angle for you. Alright, I'm going to turn this thing on here. Alright, limited across the dash there. Very nice, very nice. Alright, obviously 12-inch screen, has all the buttons connected. This thing has all the options you can get. It's got the 360-degree surround view camera. Alright, it's got everything. It's got deployed step controls, it's got the mirror dimmer, heated steering wheel, cooled heated seats. It's got the works. Obviously wood grain across the top of the steering wheel. It's got wood grain top of the dash, going across the dash. From this angle, I don't know if you can tell, but oh yeah, it's real wood. Alright, again, leather with stitching on the whole dashboard. It's even got leather and stitching on the grab handles. Alright, one of the big things that changed in 19 was this beautiful console. Okay, as you can see on top, limited with the stitching again, guys. Alright, double cup holders with the wood grain. Alright, opening this up. Obviously, you got your trigonometric ratios, your protractor, everything under here as stated in many other videos. You got a very nice cavernous console right here with the arm test going all the way down to my elbow. Okay, wood grain covers on your storage with your coins, and then you have your double cup holder that you can also shut so it has the appearance of a nice flat piece of wood. Alright, opening those up, this has 3 positions, locks in. Again, in this front area you have a ton more storage. Alright, in the front here you have 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs and an auxiliary port. And on this limited you do have the RAM charger on this one side, so when you put your phone here it'll wirelessly charge, or if you put it over here it won't, but you do have 2 ports for your plugs to come through the bottom. You have your 115 volts 400 watt inverter right here. Trailer brake controller. This is your ride height adjuster. I already showed you guys that. Traction control, tow haul mode, parking sensors on off. For example, if you're going off road with this, not really sure if you would in this nice limited, but if you did, you can turn those off so it wouldn't be beeping every time you go up a little hill. Alright, with all 1500s now, you have the rotary knob for your transmission. In the limited, you have 4-wheel drive auto. You can leave it on 4-wheel drive auto when you're driving around, and the truck will adjust for how much you need. All 4-wheel drive, low, high, it'll automatically adjust. This does have your axle lock. You can turn off your auto stop start. 2-wheel drive, obviously 4 high, 4 low, and your neutral. Obviously push button starts. Alright, dual glove boxes. Very nice. They even have lights in this top one. Alright, like I said, this limited's got everything, and it definitely does have, let's see what we got here. Alright, it does have that beautiful panoramic sunroof. And that shade goes all the way to the back. Very nice, very nice. I wish my vehicles had this, but they don't. Alright, here's the window sticker on this 2020 1500 Limited with all the options. Total on this bad boy is $68,635. And like I said, it's got all the options you can get on this thing. Ram box, panoramic sunroof, 12-inch screen, air ride suspension, 33-gallon tank, everything you'd want. Oh, this one does have the 392 gear axle as an option, guys, so this is a little bit more for towing then. Alright, the back is where it's at, guys. The back is where it's at. This has a ton of room. It's got the same door, soft touch materials, stitching. This one has a single cup holder back here, but it's got this nice Harman Kardon sound system. Alright, this limited does have, like I said, special floor mats just for the limited. It says right here. As all Ram 1500s have these days, besides maybe the tradesmen, in floor storage bins. You can take them out, you can wash them. What I like about the new gens is they actually have tie down cleats, 2 on this side, 2 all the way on the other side, so if you do have to strap in whatever, mountain bike, whatever have you, you can. Now this one is already set up for what I wanted to demonstrate. I don't know if you can see, but this seat is actually further out than those two. On these 1500s, okay, for this year, you can actually recline the seat to get you a better, more comfortable position if you want to sleep. There's a knob under here. There you go. I don't know if you saw that. There is a little knob you grab right down here. And now I just put the seat back into alignment with the rest. So, very nice. Only the old mega cabs used to be able to do this. I'm going to pull this up. As you can see, it's got flat load floor. And obviously this is limited, so it's got all the equipment. So it does have the storage cubby if you want it. You can fold this up and lock it. Alright, go all the way across. There you guys go. That is a ton of room. Ton of room. Alright, putting these back down. Alright. It is super comfortable back here again. Like I'm going to show you, I'm sitting here, grab this lever. And now my seat is leaned further back and this is a little further out. But again, this seat I had to put all the way back to the most rear position. And I'm reclined, so the seat's further up than it normally would be. And I still have about 3 inches in front of my knee. Alright. Very nice. This panoramic sunroof is beautiful. Same quality leather back here. This actually does have heated rear seats. And you can see all the perforations in the center on the sides. Sliding rear window. Harman Kardon speakers back here. This is the maxed out console in the back. Okay. This has 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs. This back is actually heated and cooled. Okay, for 2020 you got heated and cooled on the back across all 3 seats. So you can't get any more than that besides maybe adding massage chairs, but Ford kind of has that. But they only have it on the front seat. So I think Ram's gonna catch them one of these days. Alright, seat pockets on both sides. And again, look at that beautiful door. Something I forgot to show you guys, on the 2020 1500 Limiteds, you are going to get the push button drop down tailgate. That concludes my review of the 2020 Ram Limited 1500. I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up. This truck is amazing. It's got every single option you could possibly want in a truck. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoyed this video. And again, big thanks to Dylan Lamb for letting me review this truck. Alright, have a great 2020.